Kung legit kang 90s kid, imposibleng hindi mo kilala si Mojako. Isa siya sa mga top animes ng GMA7 nun. Kung papansin niyo, yung mga characters is kahalintulad ng itsura ng mga characters sa Doraemon. So, similar yung Mojako sa two cartoons na to, which are Flying House and second one is Superbook. So, Superbook and Flying House, parang similar sila. May robot characters doon and then nag-go sila into adventures as well. So, just a fun fact, si Mojako is actually hindi yan ang full name niya. He is known as Juke Mojara Hanamogera Sanada Bintoni Kusu Furan Sasukachi Ritoru Fudo Bikunin Areki Sandoro Boniku Konik Kutaran Berry Kuchu Kuchu Sup